All right, it's time for another video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, and if this is your first time stopping by, then you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and do watch my other videos. All right guys, so today is basically the unboxing of an LG OLED TV. If you guys know about OLED TVs, you know that it's the best in quality and it's also very pricey. So this is a 55-inch C3 and originally goes for £1,399. However, I got it at a discount. So because I'm an NHS worker, I had an NHS discount via the blue light card, and that took 20% off this TV. So I ended up paying just a little over £1,000 for it, 1,098.99 thereabouts. Let's go to 1,100. All right, it's still a lot of money, but I mean, for an OLED TV and then getting it at that discount, I just had to go for it. So before I unbox the actual TV, I'm going to talk you guys through the ordering process, the delivery, and then I unbox it. I got it from the official LG website online. I placed the order and it was delivered to me here in Boston in about a week. Roughly a week. So when the delivery came through, I thought that they were gonna deliver it, unbox it, set it up, do everything right. I didn't know they weren't. So the guy brought in the TV, literally pushed it into my hallway, took a picture, and he's like, yeah, I'm done. I'm like, no, sorry, excuse me, no you're not. I think it includes the delivery, because I mean it came from the official LG website, so I was thinking they're gonna offer like the full package, which includes setting up, but that wasn't the case. Apparently it's a paid service which you have to kind of request at the time of your order. I didn't know that. Anyway, so I'm gonna set up this TV with you guys, and if I fumble a bit, I mean, excuse me, because this is actually my first time kind of setting things up. I'm used to getting things done for me. Anyway guys, what else do I need to tell you? It's still in the hallway. The TV is still in the hallway, so I literally have to push it in here to unbox it. So come with me. So guys, this is the full packaging of the TV. So as you can see on the screen is the LG OLED Evo. It's a 55-inch C3 TV, and it has an AI processor. It's a 4K TV, has a brightness booster. It's quite thin, which is what I also love about it. It has WebOS, Apple AirPlay, Apple Home, and all of that good stuff, right? I'm just going to move my camera around a bit to looking at this, you can see it's quite energy consuming. So you can see it's a rating G, which means it's going to take a lot of energy, and my electricity cost is just about to go up with this TV. Anyway, all right guys, I'm going to be using this very cute IKEA knife to do the unboxing. I don't know, I'm showing you the knife, but it is so cute, and this is what I'm going to use. We're better than that. Guys, honestly, I'm not sure I'm not sure how I'm going to bring this TV out, because it is big. All right, so first things first, can you guys see this? I hope so. Okay, here you can see it. So first things first, we have this, I don't know what it is, but let's see. It's a stand body top. That's what it says on it. It says here stand body top. Keep this aside. Okay, the next thing we have here is Guys, I don't have any instruments to put this together. This is cover stand. It says here cover stand. I don't know what I'm going to do. All right, the next thing we have here is, do you know, I think I'm going to sit down, or do I just, so you guys can see my face? All right, so this is a bunch of things. I'm gonna just bring them out one after the other. I don't know what this is. A cable, something else, bunch of papers, which I'm guessing includes the manual. Another clippy thingy, and battery, screws. Am I screwed? And the remote. So it comes with the LG Magic remote, and this is what this is like. This is beautiful. Ooh, la la. So this is what the remote looks like, guys. It has a dedicated button. It has dedicated buttons for Netflix, Prime, Disney, Rakuten, LG channels, and Alexa. And right in the middle here, I don't know if you can see it, is like a, you know when you have a mouse and that thing in the middle between the left and the right clicky button that you can scroll? Yeah, you can kind of scroll with this, which is very handy. And of course the regular numbers, and that's basically it. Let's see what else is in this box. Okay, what is this? This is quite heavy. Okay, oh, I think this is like the base. So I'm not going to hang my TV. I'm going to put it on a TV stand because I have one. So I think this is the base for the TV to stand on. And guys, it's quite heavy. It has here LG OLED written on it. This is like 5-6 kg. It's quite heavy. Anyway, this is what it looks like. All right. I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's see. Okay, it's working. So I just have to figure out how to set this up. Do you know what? I think I should just use the manual. Easy peasy, innit? This one in here. Yeah. Ooh. More difficult one. I'm gonna have to pause this video and look for something to screw these things with, because the girl is not making headway with it. So these are what the screws look like. So it has this like cross whatever. I need to find out what I can use to screw them in. So be right back. So I'm gonna take these screws to the store. There's a home goods store just down the street, and then try to get some screwdrivers for this. So this is not as seamless as I thought it was gonna be, but I'm determined to make this video. So I'm gonna go grab the tools, come back and finish filming. Although at the moment I'm losing daylight because it's about, what's the time? It's about past 3, and by the time I get back it's probably gonna be like 3:30. So I'm kind of losing daylight, but I will finish filming this video today. All right guys, see you guys in a bit. So guys, I'm going home. I got a toolkit. I got this, and hopefully it works, because once I open the pack I can't return it. So let's see, hopefully it works out for me.
My headspace, been weaker, it's been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday, and nothing's changed. Mistakes that everyone is making, but I can't change. I'm stuck in reverse like an old friend. Gotta tap it up. Now I long for another day where things fall into place. So if you're down, I'll be down. Pack your bags, fill them up. We can go tonight, take a flight to a higher ground. How does that sound? How does
That this has been a long day. So guys, we are about to turn our new TV on. I say we because I mean me and you, because you've been with me from the start, and we're about to turn this TV on. Hopefully the screen comes on. Yay!
so strange? Why it always feels like
yeah,
it's too
yeah,
late?
yeah, yeah.
Wait another year and it's too late, but that's not true.
Successful. 14, 15,
It's not
17, 18,
strange
19.
to quit another.
Why is it talking so fast though?
Volume 20. Volume 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 28, 29, 30.
Okay, English.
Country, United Kingdom, checked.
Yeah.
Next, button. Audio guidance is currently turned on to assist the visually impaired. Do you want to keep audio guidance turned on?
No,
Yes,
no, we
button.
don't want you turned on. You're talking too much. How to set up the TV. Your TV will start by default in normal configuration. Mobile device, TV. Guys, do you hear the difference between the AI sound turned on and off? So this is with the AI sound turned off. I've done nothing to the volume, right? I'll let you guys listen to it. Now I'm gonna turn the AI sound on and then you guys will see. Can you hear it's louder? I like this. Alright guys, I think that's it for this unboxing video. It's been a lot of work. I didn't think I was gonna be as tasking as this, but I mean I had to do a lot of stunts here, go to the store, grab some tools, come back, finish the setup, but eventually it is done. I didn't have to pay for any installation. I didn't have to kind of call a friend or ask a neighbor, but I'm all done, which is good. TV is all set up as you saw, or as you've seen, and I'm good to go. I love the size of the TV, and of course the picture quality is none compared to anything. It's an OLED TV, so duh. The sound is amazing. So I kind of tried the AI sound adjustment thing. So without the AI sound, you heard that the TV was not that crisp and that loud, but once the AI was kind of implemented, it just kind of took it to a whole new level. And so far my Netflix is updating and I basically just watch Netflix, right? So I think that's basically the main thing that's going to be happening on this TV. So anyway, if you're thinking of getting this TV or you thinking of getting another LG TV, I mean, I hope this guide kind of helps you to make a decision. And what else? Another reason I got the OLED, when I went into stores to kind of, you know, browse for TVs, I knew eventually I'll be getting all online, but I just thought to kind of go to stores and browse different brands. So the OLED TV, right, if you with normal TVs like LCD TVs, if you're viewing the TV and you look like from the center it's crisp, right? When you go to the side, you start losing the picture quality. Basically, you don't see as clear. But with the OLED, basically almost at like, you know, 180 degrees, you can still see the TV and it is that crisp and clear, which by the way works for me because the setup of my room has the TV like at an angle. So I mean, if people are all seated here, we can all see the TV and the sound is going to be amazing anyway. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling so that this video doesn't get too long. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. If you stuck right to the very end, then you have to give this video a thumbs up because I mean, you loved it, right? For you to watch it to the very end. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe because I plan on being a regular content creator. To be honest, I know I haven't been that regular. The story of why I've been off might come later, but I mean, now I'm back and I'm back with content. So guys, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any suggestions of a video to do let me know. And if you have any questions about this video or the LG TV or the ordering or the delivery or whatever, kindly leave your comment down in the comment section below and I'll make sure to respond as soon as I see it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
A different road, though it's